Hey there, it's Nicole coming to you with another segment of Minding Your Own Business. And today we're going to talk about setting your intention or clarifying the intention for your business. Now, this is important just like if you were going to go somewhere on a trip and you needed a destination and you weren't exactly sure how to get there in the most efficient way. And so you would have your GPS set. And similarly, you want to have the intention for your business set into your system so that whenever you're feeling like you might be off course, if you check back in with what that intention is, it will keep you feeling like you're at least on course. Now, just like with a trip, you may stop at a rest stop or find a roadside attraction that you want to explore. And this will happen in your business as well. But if you're driving for a long period of time or you're moving forward in your business for a long period of time and you think, I wonder if I'm still on track or I'm heading in the right direction, then you can always come back to your intention, your destination, and you can decide, do I still want to go here? Or is this really who I am or what I want my business to be? And so it sets a sort of guideline or a guidepost for you, and it really works in those moments when you're feeling a little off. And I also find that when I ask people the why for their business, they become very lit up and passionate. And so this can be the starting point for your destination, like understanding why you want to do this. What's the feeling? What's the end result? And also being open to the possibility that that is going to shift over time or change slightly as you get forward. It's that initial point to get you moving forward and building momentum. So today, take a few minutes, pick a piece of paper or your journal, and just write down what is my why and what's my destination. And it's your destination as you feel today, knowing that it might change, but using that to guide you forward. And if you feel compelled, write in the comments below what it is that is your why or what's your GPS point. What's that end feeling that you want? And thanks for joining me here today on Minding Your Own Business, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.